In this video, I want to show you how to load or replace the ink toner in your Brother MFC-L2900DW. If you don't have one of these, I'll put a link in the description to get a new toner or even a new drum for this specific model. So check this out. All right, so once you get a new toner with a new drum, it should look like this. You need to remove all the orange plastic that is protecting it. So just detach it, all right? Nothing will break. And you can discard this thing. We then need to open this front panel of the printer. So just stick your finger on each side and lower the front door. As you notice over here, it says that the printer is only compatible with the TN830 ink toner. It also comes in the XL variant, the V version, and also the R version. If this printer never had any drum, any ink toner inserted inside, well, it's quite easy. You just take it this way, all right? Hold it the way I do, and you glide it inside slowly. It should come right in place. It should click at the end. And then you should simply close the door. In the future, if you want to replace the ink toner only and not the whole thing with the drum, simply grab this handle and pull towards yourself. And now to remove the toner, simply press this green latch over here. It will unlatch the toner from the drum, and then you'll be able to remove it, get a new one, put it in the same position, make sure it clicks, and then insert the whole thing. Now, I just want to mention something not many people know. If in the future you get some stains on your paper, some weird lines, sometimes it's because the drum is dirty. And Brother made an easy way to clean it. You see this small, I don't know how you call it, slider, let's call it this way. Well, you simply have to take it, bring it all the way the other side, bring it back. Do this at least 5 times in case you're having stains on your results. And this will clean the whole thing. And honestly, it makes such a huge difference. You won't have to buy another ink toner if you get this kind of a problem. Anyway, so I'll simply put it back, close the door, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, again, check my Amazon links, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.